A small but growing company, Swans enjoys a fair amount of recognition and success in audio enthusiast circles. The company is based in California, but has its production base in China and develops a wide range of speakers and home audio products. One of its most popular products is the Swans M10 2.1 speaker system. Design and specifications. The Swans M10 package consists of 2 satellite speakers with 20mm dome tweeters and 3-inch woofers, with a frequency response range of 140 to 20,000 Hz. The combined amplifier and subwoofer has a 5-inch woofer unit with a frequency response range of 42 to 5,000 Hz. The front of the unit has only a volume knob, while the rear has a bass control, RCA sockets for the satellite speakers and a pair of stereo RCA sockets for input. The amplifier comfortably powers all 3 components. The sales package includes an RCA to 3.5 mm stereo cable but nothing else. The satellite speakers have non-detachable wires, and plug into the amplifier using RCA plugs. The power cable is also non-detachable at the base unit, and our review sample came with a North American NEMA-type plug. The package looks simple and sophisticated, thanks to uniform design across the speakers and the amplifier/subwoofer unit. The fronts have a smooth, glossy layer on top of a rough, matte material that extends over the rest of the bodies. There are no speaker grills, so all driver units are exposed and visible. The subwoofer has a front-firing woofer unit and bass port, which means that it need not be placed on the floor and can even be kept on a tabletop. Connectivity is limited to just the sole auxiliary RCA input, with no USB or Bluetooth. This means that ordinary 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm cables cannot be used with the system. The lack of Bluetooth and USB connectivity means that you'll have to leave your source device plugged in and walk over to it every time you want to use it or change the track, in the case of smartphones or portable media players. If you're using the system only with a desktop computer, this may not be too bothersome, but if you're using it as a standalone home audio system, the lack of a remote and wireless connectivity will be a limitation. We had the Swans M10 system plugged in at home and placed on a low table. Audio was fed to it using an Android smartphone and our reference VOX1 high-resolution audio player. Focus tracks for the review were Bonobo's Kiera, Maroon 5's Sugar,